Good morning to all. Myself, Professor Nidhi Joshi. I am going to discuss about the subject Image Processing and Computer Vision. The subject code for this subject is CS803, and in that I am talking about the fifth unit, that is the facet model recognition. My agenda for session is to discuss what is a facet model, image distortion under the facet model, and lastly what is a region and the edge analysis. So let us start with what is a facet. The facet model for ideal image data assumes that image is everywhere simple. Like ideally we are talking about the image at all the place at everywhere the image is simple. Image is simple, we are talking in terms of the grayscale pixel, all the things that we are considering the in a very simple word, we are assuming that the image is everywhere simple, not much variation is there in the image. So if we are extending this point, this means that the spatial domain of the image can be partitioned into connected regions called the facet, each of which satisfies certain gray tone and shape constraint. The spatial domain that we are considering, we are talking about the x and the y coordinate. We are partitioning the image into the connected region, and that region we are calling it the facet, each of which that will be satisfying the gray tones and the shape constraint. The gray tones, whether it's black or white, and the shape constraint. So the facet model, the image processing algorithm, implicitly or explicitly assumes an idealized form for the image data on which they operate. We are considering everywhere the image is simple. Either we are considering the implicitly or explicitly we are assuming that the image data, it's the same, the image form, assuming an idealized form for the image, it's simple for the image data on which they operate. So the degree to which the observed data meets the assumed idealized form is typically not examined or accounted for. Practically we cannot consider the observed data that will means the assumed idealized form, but somehow we are trying to keeping the observed data should going to match the ideal form. This causes processing error, often attributed to noise. Why we are not getting the observed data in the idealized form? Maybe some processing error is there, that may be due to noise, or maybe some faulty information is there. So that's why we got the processing error, but we'll try to minimize such type of error so that the observed data should meet the idealized form. A facet model for image data which motivates an image processing procedure that simultaneously permits the image distortion as well as the edge detection, region growing, and the texture analysis. The facet model that we are going to use for the image the image processing purpose, that should also provide the edge detection, region growing, the edges among the image. It should detect the region growing, the texture analysis, smooth है, किस type का texture है. Now the facet model, the world recorded by image sensor has order. This order reflects itself in the regularity of the image data taken by the imaging sensor. A model for image data describes how the order and the regularity in the worlds manifests itself in the ideal image and how the real image differ from the ideal image. Here we are talking about the observed data, how the observed data will going to match with the idealized, how much percentage it is going to match with the idealized data, the ideal data and the real image. If any difference is there, then we'll going to find the error. A facet model for the image data and suggests some procedure for the image distortion, segmenting, and texture analysis using the facet model. So the facet model for image data assume that the spatial domain of the image can be partitioned into region having certain gray tones and the shape properties. Like we are assuming we are going to partitions the regions having certain gray tones and the shape property. The gray tone in a region must all lie in the same simple surface. The shape of a region must not be jagged or too narrow. Like जो भी हम लोग ग्रे टोन के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, दैट शुड लाई इन द सिंपल सरफेस. एंड व्हाई वी आर गोइंग फॉर द ग्रे टोन, लाइक द ब्लैक एंड वाइट टोन, जो भी इमेज रहती है उसको बहुत इजी हो जाता है ऑब्जेक्ट्स को और बैकग्राउंड के बीच में जो डिफरेंस रहता है दैट वी आर गोइंग टू गेट इन अ वेरी इजी मैनर. द शेप ऑफ अ रीजन मस्ट नॉट बी टू जैक्ड और टू नैरो. बहुत बड़ा भी नहीं होना चाहिए और बहुत छोटा भी नहीं होना चाहिए. So to assure the region which are not too jagged or narrow, the simplest facet model assumes that for each image there exists a k greater than 1 such that each region in the image can be represented by the union of k cross k gray blocks of pixel. So बहुत छोटा भी रीजन नहीं होना चाहिए और बहुत बड़ा भी रीजन नहीं होना चाहिए. द वैल्यू ऑफ द के एसोसिएटेड विद एन इमेज मीन्स दैट द नैरोएस्ट पार्ट ऑफ ईच ऑफ इट्स रीजन इज एट लीस्ट एज लार्ज एज के क्रॉस ग्रे ब्लॉक ऑफ पिक्सल. So ideal image which have the larger value of k have very smoothly shaped region. Like if you are talking about like the ideal image, they are, if the ideal image they are having the larger values of the k, then they are like the shape of the object is clearly visible or they are having a smoothly shaped region. So to make this idea precise, let us consider the row and the column index set that is represented by ZR and ZC. So let ZR and ZC be the row and the column index set for the spatial domain of an image. So for any row and column that belongs to ZR into ZC, let, if we are talking about the intensity of the pixel, let I of R comma C be the gray value of the resolution cell R comma C. Let B of R comma C be the K cross K block of resolution cell centered around the resolution cell. So we are talking about the pixel n pixels are there. So P is equals to P1 to Pn be a partition of the partition, not the pixel, that is we are talking about the partition we are going to partition into of n. So let P is equals to P1 to Pn be a partition of ZR into ZC into its region. जो भी हमारी इमेज है उसको हम लोगों ने पार्टीशन किया है. तो in the slope facet model for every resolution cell that is R comma C that belongs to the partition, some partition that is P of n, there exists a resolution cell I comma j that belongs to ZR into ZC such that the shape region constraint, so row है, column है, that belongs to B of I comma j belongs to that partition. So the region gray tone constraint, the region gray tone constraint, that is intensity I of R comma C is equals to A of n into R plus B of n into C. That is R is the column and R is the row and C is the column. Sorry for that. So R is the row and C is the column plus G of n. The actual image, if we are talking about the real image, the actual image J differ from the ideal image I, by the addition of the random stationary noise having zero mean and covariance matrix proportional to a specified one. So here जो J है हम लोगों ने actual image हम लोगों ने consider करी है. So actual image is equals to the idealized image plus कुछ noise है having zero mean and the covariance matrix. So mathematically we have represented the actual image that differ from the ideal image plus the noise. So we are talking about the mean and the covariance. The mean and the covariance proportional to specified to a specified one. So that is the actual image. So to illustrate the validity of the facet model, we considered some images. This image that we have considered. So using a 2x2 window and iterating it with the slow facet procedure like to a fixed point, the resultant image shows in the figure after like 28 iteration. The logarithm of absolute value of the difference between the original and the 2x2 slow facet image is shown in figure. So this is the original image. This is the original image. यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने 2x2 मैट्रिक्स हम लोगों ने यूज़ किया है, एंड आफ्टर दैट लाइक इट इज शोइंग द फिक्स पॉइंट 2x2 स्लो फेसेट, दैट इज द 2D इटरेशन दैट वी हैव यूज. सो ये हम लोगों को ये जो इमेज है दैट इज शोइंग द लॉग एरर एट 2x2 फिक्स पॉइंट, दैट इज द white high, like more white pixels are there. So that is a fixed point pixel. like इसके पहले हम लोगों ने यूज़ किया था 2x2 स्लो फेसेट यूज़ किया था, एंड दिस इज द रिजल्टेंट आफ्टर द 28 इटरेशन. एक हमें बहुत अच्छी एक इमेज हम लोगों को यहाँ पे मिली है. सो यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने यूज़ किया है 3x3 स्लो फेसेट. Like this image we got after the 16th iteration, and this shows the log error at 3x3 fixed point. यहाँ पे हम लोग like इसके पहले previous हम लोग ये consider करते हैं, here हम लोगों को एक shape भी हम लोग we cannot easily recognize, but here we can say like we are getting the that is the outer like it is specifying that some face is there, some structure we are getting. So the image distortion is a procedure by which a noisy image is operated in a manner. The noisy image is operated in a manner which produces an image which has a less noise and is closer to the form of the ideal image than the observed image is. So the iterative and the relaxation technique have become important technique for achieving this. Image distortion like as it is will try to recover the real image that we have captured, like that should going to match with the idealized image. So by which a noisy image is operated in a manner which produces an image which has a less noise and is closer to the ideal image. The facet model suggests the following simple non-linear filtering procedure. like facet model क्या करता है, it will be going to use a filter जो हमारे पास जो noisy data है that we are going to process like in the manner कि जो image है observed image है that should going to match to the ideal image. The facet model suggests the following simple non-linear filtering procedure. Each resolution cell is contained in k square different k cross k block. The gray tone distribution in each of these blocks can be fitted by either a flat horizontal plane or a sloped plane. One of the k cross k block has the simplest error of the fit. Set the output gray values to be that of the gray values fitted by the block having the smallest error. So हम लोग इमेज को रिस्टोर करने की कोशिश करते हैं. The filtering process for the slow facet model is more complicated. We give a derivation here of the required equation. Like ये हमारी है इमेज हम लोगों ने जो कैप्चर करी है इज गिवन. लाइक हम मैथमेटिकली बात करें स्लोप्ड फेसेट मॉडल फॉर एनी ब्लॉक वी कैन रिप्रेजेंट द इमेज इज ऑफ दिस फॉर्म. सो रो का कोऑर्डिनेट है, कॉलम का है लाइक सम क्वांटिटी दैट इज एडेड और कुछ नॉइज है. सो n of r comma c is the noise. At least square procedure may be used to determine the estimate for a, b and g. So लाइक हम लोगों ने एक पॉइंट कंसिडर किया एफ ऑफ ए कॉमा बी कॉमा जी इज गिवन बाय दिस इक्वेशन, is given by this. The least square estimated for a, b and g are those which minimize the f. To determine this value, we take the partial derivative of f with respect to a, b and a, b, set this to 0 and solve the resulting equation for a, b and g doing this thing. So हम लोग जो वैल्यू है ये है कि हाँ, जो हम लोगों ने ऑब्जर्व इमेज कैलकुलेट करी है, तो ऑब्जर्व इमेज इट शुड गोइंग टू मैच टू द आइडियल इमेज, और ये जो वैल्यूज़ है इनकी जो ए बी जी इनकी वैल्यू दैट शुड बी मिनिमम, तभी हम लोग बोल सकते हैं कि जो हमारी हम लोगों ने जो एक्चुअल रियल इमेज जो कैलकुलेट करी है दैट शुड बी क्लोज टू द आइडियल इमेज, उसका इम्पैक्ट कम है, तभी हम लोग रिस्टोर कर सकते हैं बैक टू इट्स लाइक द नॉर्मल थिंग ओनली. सो A value is calculated, B value and G value. The least square estimate we have considered. The meaning of this result can be readily understood for the case where the block size is 3 cross 3. So here we have considered the block size 3 cross 3 and here L value is equals to 1. So after substituting the L value, we got the A, B and G value like this. We got the A, B and G value like this. So the fitted gray tone for any resolution cell in the block is given by this. So जो हम लोगों ने न्यू fitted value निकाली है, we are trying to restoring the image using the facet model. Special domain हम लोगों ने special coordinate that we have considered. So the image restoration under the facet model, like it's calculated, and the slow facet model noise filtering would examine each of the k cross k block a pixel that belongs to. For each block a block error can be computed by this equation. So we are trying to one of the k cross k square block will have the lowest error. The output gray value at the pixel is given by this, where h is the affine function estimating the gray value for the block having the smallest error of the fit. ये रहता है कि हाँ, जो इमेज है उसको we are trying to restore like उसकी जो वैल्यू है that should be close to the original image, उसको restore करने की कोशिश करते हैं. Next we are having the region as and the edge analysis. Edge detection and the region growing. Edge detection, कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट है उसकी एज क्या है, हम लोग पिक्सल्स के बीच में कंपैरिजन करके वी कैन इजीली आइडेंटिफाई द एज, और रीजन ग्रोइंग, रीजन को एक्सपांड करना. So the edge detection and the region growing are the two area of the image analysis which are opposite in emphasis but identical in heart. Like they are opposite but like इनका जो phenomena है fundamental है, like that are quite identical if we are talking in terms of the image processing. Edge obviously occur at the boundary location. बाउंड्री रहेगी, ये सपोज लाइक ये हम लोगों ने हमारे पास एक इमेज है, तो ये जो है बाउंड्री लाइक एक वाइट कलर की आपको एक बाउंड्री दिख रही होगी. इफ आई एम टॉकिंग दिस इज द एज. सो एज ऑब्वियसली ऑकर एट द बाउंड्री लोकेशन ऑफ टू एडजेसेंट रीजन विच आर सिग्निफिकेंटली डिफरेंट. तो रीजन क्या होता है, रीजन्स आर द मैक्सिमम एरिया हैविंग द सिमिलर एट्रीब्यूट. मैं बात करूँ, ये एक रीजन हो गया, और लाइक एज का मैं एग्जांपल कंसिडर करूँ, एक ये यहाँ पे एज कंसिडर हम लोग कर रहे हैं. ये जो आउटर रेक्टेंगल है एज, यहाँ का और यहाँ के पिक्सल को हम लोग कंपेयर करेंगे तो दोनों की वैल्यू डिफर है. द रीजन आर द मैक्सिमम एरिया हैविंग द सिमिलर एट्रीब्यूट. इफ यू कुड डू रीजन एनालिसिस देन एज कैन बी डिक्लेयर्ड एट द बाउंड्री ऑफ ऑल द रीजन. इफ यू could do edge detection, region would be the area surrounded by the edges. Unfortunately, we tend to have trouble doing either. The edge detector are undoubtedly be noisy and the region growers often grows too far. We have to take care into consideration like edge detector में like noise we have to take into consideration and the region growing should not be too far. हम इस एरिया को बढ़ाते हैं, रीजन ग्रो करना, like we are trying to look for the similar type of the pixel, similar type of the pixels if they are having the similar characteristics. The facet model permits an even-handed treatment of both. Edge will not occur at the location of high difference, rather they will occur at the boundary having the high degrees between the parameters of significantly homogeneous facet. We are trying to increase the area by looking for the similar type of the pixel, like which is near to the place that we have considered or near to our region. So the edge detection and region analysis are identical, but they can be solved with the same procedure. They can be solved in the same way in the image processing. So that's all is there in today's session. We have started about the facet model. In case if you are having any doubt, any questions related to this topic, let me know. Thank you.